What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I'm outside the headquarters. This is my crib in Oklahoma City. But before I relocate, I wanted to kind of show you my crib. I was listening to this show early, and it was like, hey, man, you remember the hip hop cribs? So I wanted to show you my little spot, man, where I'm at in OKC. Like I say, it's a nice little spot, but I'm about to get ready to move and pack up and go to the Atlanta, Georgia, Columbus area. So before I do, I'm gonna just give y'all a sneak peek on where I stay at and how I like to just maintain. So let's check it out. I'm gonna flip this camera around if I can, which I don't believe I can. So I'm about to flip this around. Hold on. So that's where I'm at. It's the front of my stuff. Got a nice little porch over here. It's a nice little setup. As you see, I got my trailer. I'm about to get ready to move this, take it to the container setup. It's a nice little area. Nothing bad. I do have trees around here. Might have a bad reception at times. It's my little garage. Keep things lined out. It's not real messy, but I got a few things going right now. So as you see, I got a few things going. So pretty cool. Inside. What up? You alright? This is like the den area where we trying to chill at. Man, you got like the laundry room area, kitchen area, you know what I mean? Then we got my little front office. It's pretty much what we do up here because we don't really come up here. It's like my little office when I'm taking calls and doing on the internet and doing videos. So this is pretty much like the front room, living room type area, you know what I mean? So here's my son room, his little room. He come down. This is my daughter set up, and here, and then my room is actually in there. But it's not a bad little setup, you know what I mean? Pretty cool. Bathroom area there. But it's pretty cool, you know. It is what it is for the area, you know. But this is how we get our hog on in OKC. I'm out.